Abbott Furnace is a family-owned company that has over 35 years of experience.
Oh, we are St. Mary's Catholic Middle School.
Welcome to Abbott Furnace here in St. Mary's, Pennsylvania.
Hi, I'm Julianne Inzana, the marketing coordinator here at Abbott Furnace. They always say to pick a job that you love and you'll never work a day in your life. That's true here at Abbott. I'm one of the newest members on the team, and they treat me like an old friend.
My name is Arnie Caretti, and I am the operations director here at Abbott Furnace. My favorite part is just working with different people. We do a lot of work all over the world. I plan on staying here as long as I can. 28 years I've been here. I work with all the different departments to make sure products flowing well, jobs are getting completed in a timely manner. Basically what happens is our electricians will build these inside the shop here, and once it's completed, they'll take it out to the floor. This is completely designed by us. We have the electrical engineers who do all the design work and stuff. They'll get the prints. Our panel builders have a lot of attention to detail. By having the different colored wires and having everything numbered up nice and neatly, this is a typical control panel.
My name is Mike Rupprecht. I'm project manager. I've been at Abbott just over 20 years. My favorite part about Abbott is there's something new that happens every day. No 2 days are the same.
I weld, I fabricate, I insulate, and I brick. I like to fabricate and weld the most. That's my favorite. Yeah, I like it here.
I run the CNC cutting machine here at Abbott Furnace. Well, I've been here for 27, going on 28 years, and it's always a new adventure every day. You don't know if you're going to cut the same part or if you're cutting different stuff every day. Pretty much, we're almost like a family here.
My name's Dave Jones. I'm a welder fabricator. It's easy to work here. Everyone gets along well, and it's a nice place to work. Every day's a new challenge. I want to retire here.
Abbott Furnace, we had a great time working with you and had a blast at your furnaces.